Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're covering a question I often hear, how to handle partial shipments in SOS Inventory. If you've ever been in a situation where part of an order is ready to ship but the rest isn't, it's crucial to know how to manage this seamlessly without confusing your customers or your system. To help me out with this topic, I've got Brian, our intern here. He'll share a question I recently got from a customer, and then I'll walk you through exactly how to handle it. Brian, take it away.
Thanks, David. So here's the question. I've got an order ready to go, but not all the items are in stock right now. How can I ship what's available today and send the rest later? And how do I make sure SOS Inventory keeps track of the remaining items so that I can fulfill them when they arrive?
Great question. This is pretty common scenario. Let me show you how to handle it step by step in SOS. So what I'll do is in my screen here, I'm going to create a sales order. So I'm just going to come over to sales orders. And I'm going to create a sales order. And I'll put in my customer. And let's say I'm going to order this leather chair. So here, let's say I order 5 chairs, but I only have one available. So I can only ship one because I have one. So we're going to have to wait until we get the others. So I enter the sales order. And then from the sales order, I can come up here and select create a shipment. And since I have on-hand quantity of one, I can only ship one. So I'm going to reduce this quantity to one. And then I'll hit save and close. And that should ship that product. So if I look at this item, leather chair, we see we have 0 stock on hand. So I'm going to, let's say, create a purchase order for it. So now that we have this order, the customer's going to want those 4 pieces, so we'll have to order it for them. Leather chair, and an order for. It costs me $75. And I'm going to hit save and close. Obviously, I can ship it to the vendor. But let's say it arrives. I'm going to hit receive for this purchase order. Now, there's a couple ways to be alerted that this came in. You can create a custom field, which I've done here, that will send me an email that purchase order has arrived. So I'm going to hit save and close. And the other thing you could do is you can create a report. We have a report that's called ready to ship. So you can either run this report daily or have it scheduled to be run daily. And I'm going to run it for today. And it'll tell you that this item now has 4 on hand. So now I'm able to ship it. So if I go back to that sales order, which I can do right from here, I'll go back to go to shipment. Now, since we've already shipped part of it, so we have 4 on hand, quantity to ship is 4, we'll have to change this number. And a lot of people do a *1, You can do however you like. Some people do ABC because you can't use the same shipment number twice. But now we have the quantity of 4 to ship, and all I have to do is hit save and close. Now if I go back to that item, leather chair, now you have 0 in stock. And that's it. Handling partial shipments in SOS is pretty straightforward. Once you have the process, you just create a shipment for the available items, and SOS will automatically track the remaining quantity so you can fulfill them later without hassle. So whether you're working with back orders or sending out urgent shipments, this feature keeps your orders organized and customers happy. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on managing inventory efficiently. And if you have any other questions or scenario you'd like for me to cover, drop them in the comments below. And I'd love to hear from you. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you later. Thanks again, Brian.